This is Noten Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs, not Polokwane City, not Mkhotsi. How do you feel about the game today?
Mkhotsi came out today. I was switching for Kaizer Chiefs. We win a game here in top 8. As we check, we play with Polokwane and Rabaga position number 8.
Kaofela, yeah.
Kaofela rona bona.
Ibile se Polokwane fela.
Even
Amazulu, Eros, so yeah.
In fact, I want to talk about the way Kaizer Chiefs are disappointed this year.
Yeah.
The players are not above, and then we cry, we shout Poppy, we shout coach. Coco is, I think it's not a coach, Kavik Johnson.
Yeah.
It's a coach or what?
Interim coach.
Interim coach. It's not a coach. As Kaizer Chiefs supporter, another than Kaizer Chiefs, we wish our management the following season. But it's really good or no, wish.
Yeah. Like when wish out okay lang next, so that bakono kwa hore king wishang. But
for me, I wish they buy a new coach. They look how to control. They come with a staff so high. Bamu fem mere ko bar manna ro fem mere ko aku
amusawar onyaka mang
and even that guy are scout the play guys man.
I wonder
guys man, that guy called by Gonzalez. Bafit. Come on, guys. Even in Namfit, I play a soccer. I can.
Last time bowling.
I wish you ngabi na lamata. Na labu popine. Kim moite back to Matwang. Understand? I have to go up like Kaizer Chiefs. It's not material for play for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
I'm listening the Katan the last week on Marawa.
Yeah.
Interview.
Oh yes.
In fact, that guy always into changing ata. You know what? Into taking go high.
Yeah.
I wish you got the blood of Kaizer Chiefs. But it's all barring. I feel you know, Ningomasha na fela Mozare. Katante. It's not Zimbabwe. It's not Zimbabwe. And remember, we have to work. Exactly. And then another team with that language fee. It's a Kaizer Chiefs. It's a big team in Africa. Understand? When we play Kaizer Chiefs, we have to play
for the badge.
Badge, Baba. With a lot of people at home and all over South Africa, they supporting Kaizer Chiefs.
Exactly.
When I came to Sundowns, they was full. Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs. Elima Chiefs. So guys, people are really to tell or not second season of it. And other thing for Kune, guys, you know what? That guy Kemusabutile Salentuana, understand? And that guy who did lower Kaizer Chiefs English trophy ringata. Remarati logo to Avunyaning. I wish Kaizer Chiefs. Pascal Malata, SDD.
Bamudi Kushar.
In fact, a lot of the ex brother Kaizer Chiefs. How na lemutu mula bench lumwani.
Exactly.
Baba rakile fela tsamela I wish Kune be goalkeeper coach mfito atarite bafana ba gontsha di passes tsa dintshago le go mashela backline na high mfito.
Exactly.
Kune mfito re maratela gore they talk. Umashela backline. Wa understand? Even wo tsamona ha re mona. How can you mistake what go gitimela bo zare mona nturi ya go ira mara. So be ka mo khomfet. Re batla goalkeeper like cool mfito.
Thank you very much. All the best next season.
Thank you Mkhotsi and good work and Mereko ra rata Mkhotsi tsela pele gole then re support Mereko ga.
No, thank you very much Mkhotsi.
Thank you.